ProFoam cushions from Arden Selections are comfortable, long-lasting outdoor cushions. In the package, you will receive the cushion cover and the foam. Confirm the fit of the cushion by placing the cushion cover on the furniture. Once confirmed, you can start putting your cushion together. To open the foam, make a small cut at the end of the compressed foam packaging. Then tear the bag open to avoid cutting the foam. Remove the foam from the inner packaging. And while the foam is decompressing, fold and slide it into the cushion cover. Zip the cover closed and let the foam expand. For chase cushions, fold and slide the larger piece of foam into the cushion cover first. Check the final fit of your ProFoam cushion on your furniture. Keep in mind, the foam may take some time to fully expand. Now you're ready to enjoy your new ProFoam cushion.